How to view archived emails in Gmail Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to view archived emails in Gmail Mobile. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your Gmail app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, and then once you have done that, open your Gmail account. So once you have opened your Gmail account, your Gmail app, let's just try to add um, email to the archive section first. So let's just swipe left and then it will be added to the archive. So unlike the website, or if you're using the PC or laptop and you're going to Gmail, you may be able to see the archive section. However, on the mail on your phone, you may not be able to see that section. So what I will be teaching you is just an alternative. So go to the three lines found on the upper left corner and click on All Mail right here. So once you click on All Mail, you may be able to see the word inbox right here. So if you cannot see the word inbox right here, that means that that email has been archived. So you just make sure to scroll down until you can see those emails with no inbox button right here. Inbox icon, just like this one. So again, there is no other way to see your archived emails on your mobile, unlike the going to all mail section right here. So that's it. That's how you can view archived emails in Gmail. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.